I think if you see us working here, you would never know that one unit was from the East Coast, one unit is from the West Coast. It looks like we all just came from one location, got off a plane, and started working.
The 570th Contingency Response Group, CRG, is here with the 690th Rapid Port Opening Element, RPO as we call them, and we're here to validate that we can execute the Joint Task Force Port Opening Mission on behalf of United States Transcom.
The CRW's role in the Joint Task Force Port Opening is to operate the air side of a joint air and surface mobility operation.
We found that we were very good at surging supplies, equipment, personnel into locations, but what we weren't very good at was getting those supplies and equipment onto forward operating bases.
The type of cargo we move is pretty much irrelevant to our operations. It could be water, food, beans, bullets, tanks, troops, it doesn't matter. We land, we unload the cargo, hand it to the Army moves it out for distribution.
You don't know the situation that we're going into, so them having these supplies could be the difference between life and death in some cases.
When you bring together the CRW and the RPO, it becomes a more cohesive organization that is able to move large amounts of cargo quickly and seamlessly through theater as efficiently as possible.
There is some complexity, so pairing up the Army unit with the Contingency Response Group is tough just without any kind of challenging environment. So to come out here to Eagle Flag, put those two units together to work as one team out here in the elements, in the cold, sometimes under fire that we had today, really stresses the system, okay, and ensures that we can execute this mission in any deployed environment. So it's outstanding training.
The word joint to me in this context means there's no CRG, there's no RPO, there's no Air Force, there's no Army, it's Joint Task Force Port Opening. We're coming together as a team and conducting one mission, not two.
The Army is very good at what they do, the Air Force team is very good at what they do, but putting those teams together takes some time to work out how we operate as one.
The jointness started as soon as we came together across the table and we started planning. We planned, we did some training together, so by the time we came out here, it was, there were familiar faces, familiar names, and it made the jointness and the seamless integration flawless.
To be able to execute our plan here in the field under the conditions, real-world conditions, is, like I said, very, very valuable. And I know that when we go on our alert cycle to actually be postured to actually execute this mission, I know we'll be ready.
The two of us work together to provide one capability.
We're freezing as a team, we're hungry as a team, we're fighting as a team, we're delivering as a team, we're doing everything as a team.